It's spicier than the burger from hell.
Are these chicken wings from hell then?
Chicken wings from heaven, Tom.
Hi and welcome to Three Blokes Cook Stuff. The sun's shining, it's barbecue season almost upon us, so tonight for our tea we're just going to go with a massive bucket of hot and spicy chicken wings. It's really simple to make, as is most of the things we do, but this should be pretty tasty. Should get his lips burning and his tingle on his tongue. So we've got ourselves a couple of kilos of chicken wings. We've cut the tips off them, split them into 2 bits, then we're going to get them seasoned with salt and pepper and get them thrown on the barbecue. Followed by a shit ton of salt. We're going to get these onto the barbecue and get some colour on them. We're now going to make our spicy sauce. We're going to go in with pretty much a whole bottle of Frank's Red Hot sauce. It's a bit like Tabasco, a bit vinegary, really tasty, and get that in his pan. A couple of tablespoons of paprika and dried chili flakes. And then a couple of tablespoons of Worcester sauce, honey, and cider vinegar. Now we've got about 75 grams of butter. We're going to get this mixed up and melted, and that's pretty much the sauce ready. Once all your butter's melted, that's your sauce ready. You can turn it off until we're ready to put it on his chicken. So his chicken's going to come off the barbecue and we're going to get it thrown into a tray now. We're going to cover it with the sauce and then fire it back onto the barbecue, but use it a little bit more like an oven now instead. So we're going to leave them cooking now for about 10-15 minutes. We want the sauce to go really sticky. We want to just make sure his chicken's cooked through.
This is perfect Blokes tea though, isn't it? No messing around with cooking rice or salads. Before to these bad Blokes tea. Why not?
Some blue cheese, well what's left of it after these 2 gannets have been at it. I'm going to sprinkle this on top and we're ready to get tucked in. And that's it. Spicy chicken wings, bit of blue cheese on top.
Bit of blue.
I'm going to say what Dad said, you dipshit. Right, that's it, let's get tucked in boys.
It's spicier than the burger from hell.
Are these chicken wings from hell then?
Chicken wings from heaven, Tom.
You cheese, you fuck.
These are some pretty awesome wings, Tom. I'll give you that.
Cheers, dude.
Decent. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you cook these at home because they're definitely worth it. Don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. We're going to be doing a video every couple of weeks, every week. So yeah, hit the subscribe button and you'll find out when we're doing a video next. Cheers.
Good evening.
Cheers, Tom.
Alright, dude. Say dude.
Well done, Thomas. Well done indeed.